Hi there, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can invite a user to your Cloudflare account. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. So after logging into your Cloudflare account, what you will have to do is select the account or the domain that you want to share. So after that, you will just have to basically, again, once you click your domain, what you will have to do is, okay, again, wait for it to load. You will look for something like member section. So it should be right here. And then what you will do is you will just have to click it and then you will click invite members. So it should be somewhere right here or somewhere right here. And then after you click that, you will just have to enter the user's email address and then you will select the role to administrator, billing, or read only. It depends on what access that they need. And then you will just have to click invite and the user will receive an email to join your account. And finally, check pending invitations to confirm they accepted. Adjust permission if needed, by the way. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.